Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. It's Tracy here, and I've got it's not a very big video this, but I've got a little video to show you some stuff that I just got in the mail. And I ordered these to put up on my website, which is www.hobbyrocks.co.uk, and you'll see why. I really love these. Okay, so these are patterns from Serdar, and they are quite snazzy. They are the festival range. So we've got this absolutely stunning hat, and on the back you can see what it looks like in other variations. But wow, I love this one. So I have a few of those. Let's grab those. So these are going to be uploaded, well, hopefully today. Over the next few days I'll be putting all these patterns and the yarn that I did earlier as well on my website. So the next one I got is this dress, which is just amazing. Look at that, isn't it beautiful? I really like that. And on the back again there are some different kind of variations to show you, but I really love this dress, and it goes into quite a lot of detail. It's got charts as well on here, so yeah, it's beautiful. I love it. Okay, so that is the dress. I'll give you another look at that because I didn't hold it up for very long, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I really love that. So let's keep one of each down there. And so what else have we got? Let's have a look. Oh, now this really is kind of hippie, I guess. But having said that, when I was a young girl and I first learnt to crochet, this is one of the first things that I crocheted. One of these, very similar to this one, but with tassels like this, only probably about that long, a little bit longer. But that was one of the very first things, and a bikini to go with it, a swimsuit and a cover-up. That's the first thing that I ever made, and so it brings back kind of memories for me of crocheting with my mum. There's a few variations, and that is exactly one that I made, more or less identical to. It might even be the same, you know, but isn't it just lovely? I like these are kind of nice and bright and vibrant. And this one as well, this one's very kind of up to the minute because it is a hoodie. Look at that, it's a hoodie. Really snazzy, isn't it? I like that. Beautiful. Such fun as well. And there again on the back are kind of some different variations there, or just different pictures. I think there are different colours involved as well in that. So that's that one. And there's this one, which I've seen something very similar to this in a magazine recently, but this one is a bit nicer. I like that. It's kind of like a pullover, but it's got a better sleeve, I have to say, this one. What's it like on the back? Wow, it shows you what it's like how it transforms just doing it in different colours. It really does. I always find that, you know, when you're talking about clothing, different colours do transform it, but it certainly does in this. Look at that one, and I really love it in the red. Isn't that brilliant? I like that. I like that one a lot. So now there's this one, and I've seen lots of things like this in magazines, but this one I really like because it's quite long, and wow, isn't that beautiful? And there it is on the back in the different colours to show you again. So all of these patterns are going to be uploaded very soon, and also over on my website, which, as I said to you, is www.hobbyrocks.co.uk. I've started to upload some free patterns from various companies that are allowing me to do that. So as well as I'm just putting it away so it doesn't bend, as well as crochet patterns and knitting patterns. There's now a little section that says free patterns. At the moment they are just free crochet patterns, but I will upload some knitting patterns soon. But at the moment I've only got the one type up, and I'm going to get Chris to do free crochet patterns, free knitting patterns, so that we can separate them up for you. Either you'll just click on free patterns and then you'll be able to select it on the filter at the side, or we'll do it as a separate page. Not quite decided yet, but we will. When I do my next chat with him, I'll bring that up. So I hope you like those. I absolutely love them, and it is impossible to tell you which one is my favourite. Really, I love them all. So dead excited about that. But I suppose in a way I have to say my favourite's going to be the one that brings back memories of my mum making this one. I made several over the time, and shawls as well. We got quite adventurous in when I first learnt to crochet. So yeah, thank you for watching. Stay safe everyone, take care. And before I go, don't forget, over on the channel Hobby Rocks, there's my first ever Hobby Rocks giveaway. So don't forget that. Bye for now.